Hi, I'm Michael Chua, and you're watching the Chua Channel. Today, Corey and I are bringing you to the Queer Bowling Night at Mission Bowling Club, which is held on the third Monday of every month and located at 3176 17th Street in San Francisco, California. The event will have all kinds of performances by drag queens. For $10, you get 5 frames worth of bowling for you and your friends, $10 per person, as well as 2 free drink tickets to be purchased from a short list of drinks that they have special for the night. It's a lot of fun, so let's go along and take a look. Here are the small bites that they have on menu. It's also important to note that much of the proceeds go to the SF LGBT Center. They have a full bar, a cool and fun atmosphere, and of course, bowling. Come on, Corey! Woo! As you can see, I have 0. I'm not doing so hot. Here goes Corey again. Woo! Yeah! I am learning that bowling is not my sport. I am really trailing right now.
I've been living in the Bay for 16 years. I work at a children's after-school arts program as a head teacher for first grade. So yes, these children have a drag queen as their teacher.
This concludes our look into Queer Night at Mission Bowling Club. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe and ring that bell to join me on more adventures. I really enjoyed myself and I hope you did too. This is a lot of fun and I suggest you take a visit.